Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Notice that before us on the screen is a math question, and I got this question from the 2018. I got this question from the 2018 Paper 2 Mathematics BJC examination. Notice that before us, this question, which is before us, is currently unsolved, but I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. But I have a question for you. And my question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question. And the question states, how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution? Again, how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution? I'm going to give you an opportunity to attempt this question on your own. So please pause the video and I'll see you on the other side of, pause the video and try and attempt the question, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. All right, now that you have attempted this question on your own, let us consider this question together. The question states, how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution? And note that one revolution equals 360 degrees. One revolution equals 360 degrees. So this question is asking us how many degrees are in 1/3 of 360 degrees. And the way that we are going to answer this question is we're going to multiply 1/3 by 360 over 1. So we have 1 over 3, right, times 360 over 1. Okay, we're going to multiply these two fractions. Let us cancel. So we say 3 divided by 3, and we say 360 divided by 3. Now, what is 3 divided by 3? Well, 3 divided by 3 is indeed 3 divided by 3. What is 3 divided by 3? That is indeed 1. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. What about okay, what about 360 divided by 3? Okay, what is 360 divided by 3? Let's consider that division problem. So we have 3 as our divisor and 360 as our dividend. And our question is, what is 360 divided by 3? Notice that 3 times 12 is indeed 36. Okay, and 6 minus 6 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we bring down the 0, and we ask ourselves, and we note that 3 times 0, right? 3 times 0 is indeed 0, okay? And we say, what is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 is 0. And of course, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 again. So the answer to our division problem is indeed 120. So 360 divided by 3 is indeed 120. Okay, so let us use that idea. So let us erase. And as we just found out from our calculations, or I should say from our calculations, we determined that 360 divided by 3 is indeed 120. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. So we are left with 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 120 over 1. Okay. And this equals to 1. 1 over 1 is indeed 1. Okay, and 120 over 1 is indeed 120. Okay. And what is 1 times 120? Well, 1 times 120 is indeed 120. So let's go back to our previous slide. The previous slide says how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution? The answer is 120 degrees.